Hi, I have been learning about Spring Framework and I came across the term Spring Container. Can you help me to understand what it means? Of course, in Spring Framework, a Spring Container is responsible for managing the life cycle of Java objects known as beans. It also manages their dependencies. There are two main types of Spring containers, the bean factory and the application context. Could you explain the difference between Bean Factory and application context? Yeah, so the Bean Factory is the simplest type of Spring container. It provides the basic support for Bean instantiation, configuration, and management. It is a good choice when you want to minimize the use of system resources. So, what about the application context? So the application context has more feature and it is a rich container. It extends the functionality of Bean Factory and provides additional features like internationalization, event propagation, and AOP, which is aspect oriented programming support. It is a better choice for most applications due to its comprehensive features. So when should we use the Bean Factory and when should we use application context? So you can use the Bean Factory when you have resource constraints and you want a lightweight container. However, in most cases, it is recommended to use application context because it has enhanced capabilities, especially useful for building robust and enterprise level applications. Can you give me an example of when to use each type of container? Yeah, sure. You might choose the Bean Factory for a simple application where resource usage is a concern. On the other hand, for a large enterprise application that requires features like internationalization, event handling, and AOP, the application context would be a better fit. Got it. So if we want to create a web application with Spring, which container should we use? For a web application, it's almost always good idea to use a application context because it provides extra features that are often needed in web development, such as handling HTTP requests and sessions more effectively. Thanks for clarifying that. Now I have a better understanding of Spring containers and when to use them. Yeah, you're welcome. And if you have any more questions about Spring, framework, or any other topics, feel free to ask and don't forget to subscribe Code Family.